I'm Dr. Richa Purohit and I am at the Radha Heritage in Jiwari today. We are having a National Health and Wellness Conference Awards 2024 and I have been invited in this conference as a panelist. My topic was preventive physiotherapy. Speaker, the topic was pelvic floor and posture health awareness. I am really excited to be a part of this National Health and Wellness Conference Awards 2024. Experience surrounded by the experts and promotional activities are amazing, great connects.
Dr. Richa Purohit. She is a seasoned physiotherapist with over 15 years of experience, holding a bachelor and master's in physiotherapy from Bhopal. She is a registered member of the Indian Association of Physiotherapists and a founder member of the Society of Physiotherapists in Pune. As a founder of Fitwell Physiotherapy, Dr. Richa specializes in pelvic floor rehabilitation and is actively involved in women's healthcare awareness campaign. More power to you.
Start with Richa.
Yes, thank you and a very warm welcome everyone. Preventive healthcare has a major role in your overall health improvement. I call myself a movement specialist because I basically work on your movements. And Lopa mentioned that diabetes is a chronic disease. Yes, it comes from heredity as well. So if you know that you have a family history and if you are aware of certain things, you can work on your lifestyle changes. You can delay or you can prevent yourself from that particular disease. If you are an office employee, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, you are prone of getting n number of health issues. So if myth that people feel that physiotherapy is needed only if you are sick, only if you have pain. But no, the latest concept is preventive physiotherapy will definitely help you leading a better life. If you're into sports, if you're into any activity, we will do the assessment. We find out what is your body requirement and accordingly we prepare your body not to get injured. So again, prevention is better than cure. If you are injured, if you are suffering, you will have to spend more. So please be in your budget and work on your preventive health. Thank you. So I can see people sitting here and I don't see anyone sitting in a good posture. So spine is not straight, the spine is curved. So you have to maintain the curves of your spine. If you're working if you're an office employee, you have to make sure that you're supporting your lower back curve with a small cushion or a small pillow. Then you have to look straight. If you're working on a screen or desktop, make sure the screen is at the eye level. Generally what people do, the screen is at this level, they are working continuously in this position. That's going to hurt your spine. The body is meant to be balanced. We are imbalancing it by our poor posture. So maintain a good posture and take frequent breaks. ज़्यादातर patients आते हैं and they are like 2 घंटे 3 घंटे में हम break लेते हैं. We suggest 45 minutes. Set alarms. Take breaks after every 45 minutes. If you're not able to walk around, just sit and fool your body that you are exercising. Just move. Of corporate health talks and I feel very disappointed when I see employees who are into mid-20s, mid-30s, they are having back pain, neck pain, slip disc issues. That is very disappointing
Because we feel younger to them.
Exactly. So physiotherapy starts when a child is born. Even a premature baby having respiratory issues, having delayed milestones once. Physiotherapy has different branches. It's not that we only treat pain. It's not that we only prevent injuries. We have cardiorespiratory physiotherapists, we have pediatric physiotherapists, sports physiotherapists, gynecological physiotherapists. So we all are working in specific fields to the teenager girls having menstrual issues, having then the pregnancy related issues in women, then perimenopausal issues in elders, and then again in elderly people, geriatric care we do. In case of qualified physiotherapist, we do the proper assessment of the person. We do assess the requirement, the body requirement. We check the entire history, the family history, their lifestyle history, and then accordingly we customize the protocol, customize the plan. It's not that one exercise suits all. It's not that one size fits all. So
I'd like to ask one question, Dr. Richa, that in the corporate world today, we see, or in manufacturing, mainly in the management job, a lot of life is sedentary. You said you work, okay? what kind of basic exercises that you would recommend? Maybe because you do a lot of corporate programs, I've seen that, I've spoken to you personally as well. So anything that you want to share, show, would be great for us to know.
I would like to demonstrate rather than speaking.
Excellent, yeah.
Okay, so my advice to them is always you can do desk exercises. Come in groups. Ask your friends to join you. Ask your partners, and then you can sit together, do some desk exercises. So I have, if you all can join us in this desk exercise, that way you'll remember also next time when you are working, after 45 minutes break, you can do this. So it's not that after every 45 minutes you will have to repeat these desk exercises. In one break, you can go for a washroom break. The second break, go have some tea, coffee. Third break, make sure you're exercising. Fourth break, again, you go for a walk. Fifth break, anything else. Sixth break, again exercise. So at least make sure that 2 breaks you are doing these desk exercises. So if you all can join me, I would be really glad. Yes, eyes do need stretches. Full body का तुम stretch कर लेते. What about the eye muscle?
Yeah.
So in order to avoid this strain to your eye, we call it 20-20-20 rule. After every 20 minutes, take the eyes off the screen, look at something 20 feet far for 10 seconds as I mentioned. Relax, repeat, relax. You will never get strain in your eyes, and because of this strain in your eyes, sometimes we get headache, neck pain. So I'm sure you'll be free from all these things if you follow these simple tips.
Dr. Richa Purohit, the best physiotherapist in Pune. Dr. Richa Purohit, thank you so much for sharing so many techniques